Alright, ladies and gents, Dexter back with you. This is going to be Basic Zenforo Functions Part 2. I want to touch on 4 basic things in this video. The first, we're going to expand on where we left off last time on the quick navigation tools. I'm just going to touch on it real quick. Then we're going to go over RSS feeds, changing the themes, and then sharing and social integrations, because most of us, we enjoy our social media, Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, Google Circles, all that crap. Alright, so real quick on the quick navigation tools, last time we touched base on the navigation up here where you can hover. You can go into all of your favorite networks and their subforums. Okay. Once you're in a network and its subforums, and you want to jump back and forth, you can do so through the sub navigation here. So if you say you want to jump to HBO, complete seasons, see what's there, quick and easy. Okay, now there's also 2 areas for another quick navigation, and that's going to be located right here, as well as at the bottom right here. Okay, so we're just going to see what that quick navigation does for us. Here we can jump home, the forums, notable members, any recent activity. That's the same thing as today's post. Your profile, your account, conversations, your news feeds, which we're going to talk about here in a moment, as well as a complete list of all the forums available. Okay, so that's about it for quick navigation in this video. So let's go real quick. A lot of people have been asking me, how did we change the themes? Well, first off, we really only have one theme at the moment, but if you do want to know and you do want to play with the other ones, I do have another theme that I'm working on. It's kind of a pet project, so it's quite ugly at the moment. But if you scroll to the bottom of the board, you'll see right here where it says CouchTater Blue. If we go ahead and click on that, it's going to pop up a list of all the installed themes. So if we switch to the default style, like I said, if we switch to the default style, internet's running a little bit slow tonight. There we go. Alright, you'll see, I've got the outside. I've been working on coloring here, here. Style issues have not been updated anywhere inside. This, like I said, this is a little pet project. This is my own theme, so I've been working on it. Alright, let's go back over. So default style, choose CouchTater Blue, and we go back to our theme. Okay, now RSS feeds. RSS feeds are a wonderful thing. Let's say you've got several shows that you want to download through the week. You want to know as soon as they're posted, get updates, etc. Let's say you've got shows on CBS that you want to follow week to week. Alright, so we're just going to scroll down. CBS, obviously week to week is going to be in the single episodes forum. So I'm just going to click on the CBS here. That's going to bring up a list of the subforums. So these orange RSS indicators, that's what we want to focus on. So single episodes, I'm just going to click on the RSS button. And now subscribe to this feed using, and we've got options for live bookmarks, Microsoft Outlook, or various other RSS applications. So whichever feed or whatever RSS newsreader you like to use, just make your selection and you'll be subscribed. Okay, just click subscribe now once you're done. Alright, so that touched base on the RSS. It's pretty simple to use. Just subscribe to whichever threads you want to receive updates on. Alright, so now what I want to talk about is sharing and social integration. The Facebook, the Twitter, the Google Plus. Those are the 3 big ones. We've already integrated those into the board. And just so you can see here, I'm going to log out. This is what a guest sees whenever they come to CouchTater, and we've made it really simple to sign up and register. If you click the login or sign up button, you've got log in with Facebook, log in with Twitter, log in with Google Plus. Makes it very simple to register. Alright, so I'm just going to log back in with my account here. Okay, so now to share, let's say CouchTater, we want to recommend it to somebody. We can, this is in general, so not a specific thread, not a specific post, just we want to shout it out, say, hey, come join us, or tweet it. Okay, I have already integrated my accounts, so I can just, tweet. And my tweet's been sent to Twitter. If I want to recommend it, okay, I'm just going to log in. I was logged into my personal account earlier, so. And we can see, are you a CouchTater? Welcome to CouchTater.com, your ultimate source for primetime television. And we can add a comment. Come join us. Registration is free. Are you a CouchTater? Okay. And now the whole site has literally, went out to my Facebook friends and family and all that. Okay, now let's say we've got a really cool show. We want to share that particular thread. We're going to, let's see what's new today. Alright, so, hey, Scandal, weekly update, season 401, just posted. Okay. If you scroll down to the bottom, where a lot of people's signatures are, etc., over on the right, and this has always been here, I just kind of changed it a little bit, and to expand on it, if you're ever on any message board and you see this little number down in the bottom right, it's called a permalink. What I done was I expanded it and I actually separated the permalink from the post and made it text that says, hey, share this post. Okay, so if we click on that, we're going to get share options for Facebook, StumbleUpon, Twitter, Gmail, Pinterest. Click on the plus symbol and we've got Delicious, Blogger, LinkedIn, 292 others. So it's just a matter of, hey, what do you do on social networks? What sites do you visit? Who do you share with? How do you share it? Etc. But this makes it really easy to share this particular post so people know, hey, come get this episode. Let's go ahead and send this one out to Twitter just so you can see what it's going to look like. Scandal season 4 weekly updated. Hey, it's pretty much says itself. So I will go ahead and tweet that. And let's see what that looks like. Let's go to my Twitter account. Let's make sure that it really did post. It did. There it is. We've got a link. And this is my ranting bitch account. If you're not familiar with that site, come join us over there if you like to bitch, fuss, rant on about anything. rantingbitch.com. And looks like all these people have already pushed my other one to the bottom. So I'm not going to scroll through, but you see that it is there. Alright, maybe if I go to, there we go. So there's my first tweet, or my first tweet, and my second tweet. Alright, so hopefully that takes care of changing the themes, sharing, and no, we got one more thing to cover before I let go of this video here. Alright, social integration. If you hover over your name here, you're going to see external accounts. So if we go ahead and click on that, that's going to take you into your settings and your preferences, etc. And that's where you can integrate your Facebook and your Twitter and your Google Plus accounts. Okay? Alright, so RSS feeds. If you have any questions, just shoot me a private conversation. We can talk about it. The quick navigation tools, again, if you have any questions, changing the theme, sharing. Hopefully this video covered it well and you understand how to use those basic features now. So until next time, Dexter signing out, and we'll see you in part 3.